Okay. Anyways, it would not be any trouble at all to have the receiver turned on for the next couple of hours also. Now, governor was in his office and he is thinking that it would not be any convenient if he would keep his receiver on for the next 2 hours. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी अगर वो रिसीवर को 2 घंटे के लिए ऑन रख देता है. It was not as if there was going to be anything to listen to. Actually, the matter is not important to be listened, but it is very also important to have an eye on the conversation of Ivan's and father. Among us other things, an invigilator duty was to ensure, among other duties, the duty of invigilator was also ensured. Because an invigilator was appointed for taking the exam. That the strictest silence was observed. Now there was the pin of silence in the cell of Evans. But still that little nagging doubt might Evans try to take advantage of McLeary. Now, but there were some little doubts, okay, in the mind of governor. Governor was thinking that Evans might take the advantage of McLeary. Evans McLeary का फायदा उठा सकता है. Okay, get him to smuggle in a chisel or two or a rope or ladder, or he was also thinking that something can be smuggled by the father. कुछ बाय इवान के द्वारा फादर से कुछ चीजें मंगाई जा सकती हैं, जैसे चीजल, छीनी, हथौड़ी, रस्सी, लेडर, सीढ़ी. The governor sat up sharply. Now governor stood up sharply in his office. It was all very well getting rid of any potential weapon. Now it was, or it would be very well if he would take any potential weapon from Evans. अच्छा होगा अगर वो इवान से कोई भी डेंजरस वेपन जो भी है उसके पास है उससे ले लिया जाए. That Evans could have used, वो वेपन जो इवान खुद इस्तेमाल कर सकता था. But what about McLeary? लेकिन McLeary के बारे में क्या करूं? What to do about McLeary? What if quite unwittingly, oh, you are thinking very unwittingly, अरे गवर्नर तू बेकार की बात सोच रहा है. The innocent McLeary is quite innocent. So innocent McLeary had brought in something himself. Might be possible that McLeary would have brought something in his suitcase. Possible है कि McLeary शायद अपने सूटकेस में कुछ लेकर आया हो. Okay, जैक नाइफ, जैसे जैक काटने का चाकू. Perhaps, शायद, might be possible. And what if Evans had his hostage such a weapon? Or might be possible that Evans make a father his victim. कि Evans father को अपना शिकार बना सकता है with that knife, उस knife से. The governor reached for the phone. Now the governor rang the phone. It was 9:12. बच्चों एग्जाम was to be started at 9:15. 9:10 was done already. Okay, it was now 9:12. Exam was to be started from 9:15. Every minute is very important in this chapter. Okay then. The governor reached for the phone. It was 9:12 a.m. The examinee means the student, Vidyarthi means Evans. The examinee and the invigilator had already been introduced by Stephenson. Examinee means Evans and McLeary were introduced to each other by Stephen. Stephen ने दोनों का परिचय आपस में करवा दिया था. फादर ये आपका स्टूडेंट इवांस, और इवांस ये तुम्हारे इन्विजिलेटर सर है, फादर हैं. ओके देन Then Jackson came back. Jackson जब वापस आया and shouted to McCleary through the cell door. Now Jackson came back and shouted or called father to come out of the cell. और फादर से कहा कि आपको सेल से बाहर आना है. Can you come outside a minute, sir? Sir, can you come outside for a minute? सर क्या एक मिनट के लिए आप बाहर आ सकते हैं? You too, Stephen, तुमको भी बाहर आना है. Jackson quickly explained the governor's worries. Jackson quickly told the governor's worries. जैक्सन बड़ी जल्दी से गवर्नर की चिंता एक्सप्लेन करता है, समझाता है. एंड मैक्लीरी पेशेंटली हैंड आउट हिज आर्म्स एट शोल्डर लेवल. नाउ जस्ट सी वन थिंग, मैक्लीरी हेल्ड हिज हैंड जस्ट अप टू द शोल्डर. मैक्लीरी अपने हाथ खड़े करता है सिर्फ शोल्डर तक. ओके, why McCreary does not hold his hand in this manner? Why McCreary held his hand up to the shoulder? There is a suspense in this style also. इसमें भी एक suspense छुपा हुआ है बच्चों. Yes, at shoulders level, while Jackson lightly frisked his clothes and Jackson just frisked his clothes. तलाशी लेता है. तलाशी होती है, आप लोग जानते हैं. Frisk his clothes. Something hard here, sir. Oh, in the pocket. Oh, sir, something hard is here. या कुछ hard सा है. Oh, it was my reading glasses. ये तो मेरा पढ़ने वाला चश्मा है. चश्मे का कवर जब बोलते हैं आप लोग. Oh, my reading glasses, replied McCleary, looking down at the spectacle case. And now मैक्लीरी was looking down at the spectacle case. वो चश्मे का घर जो कवर होता है उसको देख रहा था. Jackson quickly reassured him, okay sir, fine. Bending down on the landing, now Jackson sat down on the floor. Thumb clicked up the catches on the suitcase and now he opens the buttons of suitcase with his thumb. अपने थंब से वो क्या करता है? सूटकेस के बटन खोलता है. He picked up each envelope in turn and he checked all the things. First of all, he picked up an envelope, sealed envelope, which was given to McCleary by board office. जो बोर्ड ऑफिस ने उसको दिया था. येलो एनवेलप था, क्वेश्चन पेपर था. Carefully passed his palms, उसने अलग कर दिया उसे. Along their surfaces, seemed satisfied. Now, Jackson was satisfied that there was a question paper in the suitcase. He riffled cursorily through a few pages of holy write. Now there were few pages of holy writing, and Jackson also checked them. And vaguely shook, and he vaguely shook in this way to check the papers. Yes, the Church Times. It was the newspaper. I told you McCleary had a newspaper named Church Times. Okay, all right. So far, sir, बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक है अब तक. But one of the objects in McCleary's suitcase was puzzling him sorely. But there was an object in the suitcase of McCleary which was troubling Jackson. McCleary के सूटकेस में एक ऐसी चीज थी जो जैक्सन को परेशान कर रही थी. What was that? It was a semi-inflated rubber tube. एक आधी फूली हुई रबर रिंग उसके अंदर थी. It is rubber ring. Okay. Do you mind telling me why you have brought this, sir? Now, showing this rubber ring to McCleary, to the father, Jackson asked, father, why have you brought it? आप इसे लेकर क्यों आए हैं? He held up a smallish semi-inflated rubber ring. उसने आधी खुली हुई रबर रिंग को दिखाते हुए पूछा। शोइंग द हाफ इन्फ्लेटेड रबर ट्यूब, जैक्सन आस्क्ड फादर, व्हाई हैव यू ब्रॉट इट? Such as a young child with a waist of about 12 inches might have struggled into. Actually, it was so big that a child having a waist of 12 inches could pass through it. तो इससे होकर जा सकते, इससे इसमें से कूद सकता था, इसमें से होकर निकल सकता था। You thinking of going for a swim, sir? Sir, after examination, will you go for the swimming? क्या स्विमिंग के लिए जाएंगे? मैक्लेरी, I thought maybe the manner was slightly ruffled. McLeary, who was a very light behavior person, now got disturbed. परेशान हो गया at the statement of Jackson by the tasteless little pleasantry. Okay, McLeary thought that Jackson was making fun of him. जैक्सन उसका मजाक उड़ा रहा हो। And he answered Jackson somewhat shortly. Father replied McLeary with shore, कड़वाहट के साथ फादर ने जवाब दिया जैक्सन को, if he must know, I suffer from hemorrhoids. Actually, I am suffered from hemorrhoids. मैं hemorrhoids से पीड़ित हूँ, a type of disease. When I am sitting down for any length of time, if I have to sit for a longer time, okay, if I sit on the chair for a longer time, so I have to use such a rubber ring. Okay, for my comfort, अपने आराम के लिए। Oh, very sorry sir, I don't mean to sir, मेरा ये मतलब नहीं था, sorry sir. The embarrassment was still reddening Jackson's cheeks. Now, the cheeks of Jackson got reddened. Okay, Jackson के cheeks लाल हो गए थे when he found a paper knife at the bottom of the case. And now Jackson find a paper knife, पेपर काटने का एक चाकू उनके सूटकेस में था। I think I would better keep this through if you don't mind, sir. Sir, अगर आपको बुरा ना लगे, if you don't mind, I can keep this paper knife with me. मैं अपने पास ये पेपर नाइफ रख लूं। It was 9:18 a.m. Now it is 9:18. Exam was to be started at 9:15, but it was a bit late. थोड़ी सी देर हो गई थी। It was 9:18 a.m. Governor heard their voices again. Once again, Governor heard the voices of Evans and father in his cell. It was clear that examination was going to be more than a little late in the getting underway. Now, it was clear that exam was going to be started after a bit late. थोड़ी सी देर के बाद after all exam शुरू होने जा रहा था। McLeary, you have got a watch? तुम पे घड़ी है? Yes, sir. McLeary, I will be telling you when to start. McLeary says, I will tell you when to start. मैं तुम्हें बताऊंगा कब से एग्जाम शुरू करना है। And again, you have 5 minutes left outright. Or when the exam will be over, I will also tell you before 5 minutes. जब एग्जाम शुरू खत्म होने में 5 मिनट बचेंगे, I will tell you also. All right? Silence. McLeary, there are plenty more of this writing paper should be needed. Actually, there are many more boxes, many more entries which have to be filled. इसमें बहुत सारी entries हैं जो कि fill की जानी हैं. Silence. McLeary, now write the name of the paper 021-1 in the top left hand corner. ये आपका टॉप लेफ्ट हैंड कॉर्नर है, यहाँ पर आप क्या लिखोगे? यहाँ लिखोगे आप 021-1. ओके, नाउ साइलेंस. McLeary, in the top right hand corner, now the top of right hand corner, this one, okay, write your index number 313. You will write here number 313, entries of the answer sheet which is to be filled, and in the box just below that और इसके नीचे एक बॉक्स और बना हुआ है, just write here number 271. Write here number 271. All right. Silence. 9:20 AM. क्या बज गया टाइम? 9:20. 5 मिनट की देर हो गई एग्जाम में. चलिए McLeary, I am now going to dash. Ivan, he is not going to stay over here, is he? Actually, Stephen was standing in the cell near Ivan, and Ivan says that why is he standing near me? Okay, and I will not be able to concentrate my mind on my paper. अगर यहाँ पर खड़ा रहेगा तो मैं अपने पेपर पर कॉन्सेंट्रेट नहीं कर पाऊंगा. McLeary, I don't know about that. अच्छा, why this man is standing here? Why this man is standing here? I don't know. Okay, maybe it is the order of governor. Stephen, Mr. Jackson given me the instructions too. अरे Evans, Mr. Jackson has given me strict instruction to stand here. जैक्सन ने मुझे स्ट्रिक्ट इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिए यहाँ खड़ा होने के लिए. मैं यहाँ से नहीं जाऊंगा. Ivan, how am I supposed to concentrate on my exam? Then how I will make my concentration on my paper? Okay. With some breathing down my neck, as you are standing here, then it will be impossible for me to concentrate on my paper. तुम यहाँ खड़े हुए हो और मेरे लिए impossible होगा अपनी पेपर पर concentrate करने के लिए. I will not be able to do my exam. अपना एग्जाम नहीं कर पाऊंगा. Christ, ओ भगवान, sorry sir, I did not mean, मेरा ये मतलब नहीं था. Governor reached for the phone. गवर्नर फोन के पास पहुंचा. जैक्सन, good, get Stephen out of the cell, will you? Now governor told Jackson to call out Stephen from the cell of Evans. गवर्नर ने जैक्सन को फोन किया, स्टीफन को इवांस की सेल से बाहर बुला लाओ. I think we are perhaps overdoing things. Oh, I think that we are getting more strict. हमको ज्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट होते जा रहे हैं. As you wish, sir. जैसे आपकी मर्जी सर. The governor heard the exchanges in the cell. Governor heard some noise, some sound of exchanges in the cell. Heard the door clang once more. The door got opened and closed once more. दरवाजा खुला और बंद हो गया. And heard McLeary announcement. And now governor heard the announcement of McLeary that examination had begun at last. Or at last exam started. एग्जाम शुरू हो गया. कितने बजे शुरू हुआ एग्जाम? 9:25 पर. 10 मिनट की देरी हो गई एग्जाम शुरू होने में. 9:15 पर स्टार्ट होना था और हुआ 9:25 पर. It was 9:25 AM. There was a great calm. There was a pin drop silence in the cell of Evans. At 9:40 AM, Listen very carefully, बच्चों. Now 9:40 a.m. Okay, the examination board ran through. A phone call came from the examination board. The assistant secretary with special responsibility, there was an assistant secretary in the board office. Okay, and he was given a very special responsibility. उसे स्पेशल जिम्मेदारी दी गई थी. फॉर मॉडर्न लैंग्वेजेस, लैंग्वेज का पेपर था, इसलिए आस्क टू स्पीक द गवर्नर. उसने कहा आई वांट टू आस्क टू गवर्नर, आई वांट टू टॉक टू गवर्नर. मैं गवर्नर से बात करना चाहता हूं. The examination had already started, no doubt. No doubt, the examination was already started. एग्जाम शुरू हो चुका था. A quarter of an hour ago. Quarter of an hour means 15 minutes. Okay, before 15 minutes, the exam had started. Well, there was a correction slip which some fool had forgotten to place in the examination package. Actually, there was a correction slip. There was a correction slip which could not be placed, which could not be put in the envelope. Okay, एक करेक्शन स्लिप है जिसे हमारे ऑफिस का कोई मूर्ख व्यक्ति उस पैकेट में रखना भूल गया. यानी गॉट नॉट. वेरी ब्रीफ, बहुत छोटा सा करेक्शन है. कुड द गवर्नर प्लीज, कैन आई टॉक टू गवर्नर? यस ऑफ कोर्स, आई विल पुट यू स्ट्रेट थ्रू टू द Jackson in the wing. Now governor says, of course, you can directly contact to Mr. Jackson on phone in D-Wing. D-Wing में Mr. Jackson है, आप डायरेक्टली फोन पर उनसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. फॉर द लाइन a minute, स्टे ऑन द लाइन फॉर a minute. लाइन पर बने रहिए 1 मिनट के लिए. Was this sort of thing the governor had feared? Now, governor was somewhat fearful. में थोड़ा बहुत. Governor was somewhat fearful with this phone call. इस फोन कॉल से गवर्नर थोड़ा सा डरा हुआ था. जो ज़्यादा डर लगा, क्या सोच करके, was the phone call a fake? ये फोन कॉल फेक तो नहीं है. फेक मीन्स झूठी. क्योंकि इट इज वेरी लिटिल चांस दैट द बोर्ड मेक एनी मिस्टेक इन मेकिंग पेपर. बोर्ड कभी कोई मिस्टेक नहीं करता किसी भी पेपर को बनाने में. तो व्हाई दिस फोन कॉल केम फ्रॉम बोर्ड ऑफिस? तो बोर्ड ऑफिस से ये फोन कॉल क्यों आई है? सम सिग्नल ही इज गिविंग that phone call may be some signals for Evans. पॉसिबल है शायद ये कुछ इवांस के लिए कोई सिग्नल हो, कोई इंडिकेशन हो. सम सीक्रेट मैसेज. एनीवन वांट टू कन्वे सीक्रेट मैसेज टू इवांस? शायद कोई इवांस को सीक्रेट मैसेज देना चाहता हो. But he could check on that immediately. Now he could check this phone call. He dialed the number of the examination board. Now governor rang the number of examination board, but heard on his staccato bleeps of line engaged. But governor found the line of board office engaged. लेकिन गवर्नर को बोर्ड ऑफिस का फोन एंगेज्ड मिलता है. बट देन द लाइन वॉज एंगेज्ड. लाइन पूरी एंगेज थी. wasn't it? अरे यस, नॉट वेरी इंटेलिजेंट दैट. Oh, he just told himself that governor, you are just making some overdoing. तुमको ज्यादा ही सोच रही हो. You are just making overthinking. तुमको ज्यादा ही सोच रहे हो। डोंट गेट अपसेट, इतने परेशान मत हो।